Hey everyone, this is Dr. Mr. So today I'm going to make masala chitrana. So first I have heated oil in the pan. I'm adding mustard seeds. I'm adding curry leaf and I'm adding a vegetable that of beans and batani, carrot and onion. Let's give it a mix. Let it cook for 4 minutes. Before you close the top, add salt. So now you can close the top. So after cooking, give it a mix. I'm adding salt. I'm sorry, that is turmeric. So this is homemade palau powder. You have to add it 1 tablespoon. So I'm giving a mix. So this is paste of fresh coconut, ginger, garlic, chili and coriander. So this is a paste, you have to add it. I'm going to add it. I'm giving it a mix. You must and have to add this paste because it gives a very taste and it makes the rice tasty. So now I'm adding 3 big chopped tomatoes. Then let's cook it for 4 minutes. So it's ready. Now please mix with hot rice and you can have it. It's cooking. It is already done. Off the flame. And once again you can give it a mix. So I'm adding it to hot rice. I'm mixing it. So it's ready. You can take it for lunch, for even school and offices, all this stuff. Please make it, enjoy it, and please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.